Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll show you how to set up and customize the TikTok slider section. This section lets you display multiple TikTok slider videos in a horizontal slider on your store's homepage or landing page. Perfect for showcasing your brand's content or user-generated videos to boost engagement and build trust. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the TikTok slider section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Then navigate to Template and locate the TikTok slider section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings and open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to Template and select the TikTok slider section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for TikTok slider and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the TikTok section will be displayed. Desktop, the section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile, the section appears only on mobile devices. Both, the section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. Use container size to control how wide the TikTok section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Set the number of columns on desktop from 1 to 6, depending on how many videos you want per row. For mobile, choose 1 or 2 columns for the best viewing experience. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns include the same customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, so the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears, ranging from 4 pixels to 100 pixels. This allows you to create anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also adjust the opacity from 1% to 100% to control transparency. Lower opacity creates a soft background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually strong. Choose an image ratio to control how your videos appear. Square, 4:3, 19:9, 21:9, 3:4, 9:16, 9:21, and circle. Enable muted autoplay if you want videos to play automatically without sound. Under Enable slider, you can choose where the collection slider will be displayed. Both devices slider will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Enable show dots to display navigation dots below the slider, allowing visitors to switch between slides easily. Enable show arrows to display left and right navigation arrows for quick slide navigation. For styling, select arrow color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color, or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use arrow position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle. Arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Match the TikTok slider section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add multiple CTA blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each CTA block comes with its own customization options. Add a video block to start customizing your content. Choose a video from your library or upload a new one to showcase your TikTok content. Enter a short, engaging title to describe your video or highlight key information. Set how the title or video content is aligned on desktop and mobile screens. You can choose from Inherit, Left, Center, Right, or Justify to match your layout and design preferences. Choose a heading size from Inherit or H1 through H6, depending on how prominently you want the title to appear. Larger headings create stronger visual emphasis, while smaller headings offer a more subtle look. Enable this option to keep your title within a single line, perfect for maintaining a clean and consistent design. And that's it. Your TikTok slider section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.